Hello everybody, welcome to SMART, Grasp, Explore and Win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic.
Chapter 2 Polynomials Exercise 2.1. In that first sum, the graphs of y equal to p of x, that is a graph for the function p of x, are given in the following figure. For some polynomials, the p of x value is some other polynomial for which the graphs are represented here. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. We are supposed to find the number of zeros in p of x. Number of zeros in the sets, the number of solution for each graph. For subdivision, the number of zeros is 0 because the given graph doesn't touch the x-axis, as the graph does not cut the x-axis at any point. So the given graph doesn't cut the x-axis at any point. Therefore, there is no solution for the given graph. Second subdivision, on observing the given graph cuts the x-axis or intersect the x-axis at one point. At one point, it touches the x-axis. Therefore, the number of zeros is 1 as the graph intersects the x-axis at only one point. Moving on to the third subdivision. On observing the graph, it touches the x-axis at 3 different points. Therefore, the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. In the fourth subdivision, on observing the graph, it touches the x-axis at 2 points. Therefore, the number of zeros is 2 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 2 points. Fifth subdivision. On observing the graph, 1, 2, 3, 4. The graph touches the x-axis at 4 places. Therefore, the number of zeros is 4 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 4 points. Moving on to the last subdivision, let's see the graph 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the number of zeros is 3. That is, the given graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. Therefore, the number of zeros is 3 as the graph intersects the x-axis at 3 points. With this, we have completed this exercise.
Thank you all for watching SMART, Grasp, Explore and Win. Stay tuned for more videos.